So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to delete contacts in Facebook Messenger. So first of all, after you open up your phone now, go and open up your Facebook Messenger like this. So as you can see now, here is now my Facebook Messenger. Now, if you want to delete a specific contacts or if you want to delete all contacts, all you have to do now, let's say now in my Facebook now, let's say I want to Facebook Messenger, I want to let's say delete this person. As you can see now, this one. As you can see now, I want to delete this one. All you have to do now, just long press your hand on the person you want to delete. After you long press your hand on the person you want to delete, as you can see now, you'll be able now to see this. As you can see now, here is delete option. So tap on this delete button. So now confirm the delete option. Here is it now. So now I delete this person from my Facebook account. That's it, guys, on how to delete this contact in your Facebook Messenger. So now your chat with that person has been gone, and the person won't be able now to message you because you have deleted him from your Facebook Messenger. That's it, guys, on how to delete someone in Facebook Messenger. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching, guys.